On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, getting what they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company, and bitch I'm the boss. And now we stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Young stunner, I be stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah.
Ta 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 ta.
369, damn fine. One more time, go. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the ball. Play drop down my ball. All these bitches fall. All these three motherfuckers. So great, so clean. Then she brought that girl to put my ass and me in the mind. This bitch is fine. I done came to the club. I hit the limb down. Now can I play with your bandit line? We go down, say I need to calm down. Give me the call, go to swing me now. Take a drop down on my papa, threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she working. Hanging out like a single female twerking. Taking the clothes off, bugging naked. And she in a hole, don't disrespect it. I put a pop your pussy like this. Cause you like this, Miss B.I.H. Lil' John and the East Side Boys with. And we all like to see ass and titties. Now run your ass over here, ho. And let me see you get low. If you want this dub, now take it to the floor. Now if your ass wanna act, then you can keep your ass where you at.
Why, yeah, yeah.